Alright guys, we're going to be doing a headlight bulb change on my Hoover Concept 1. Here's the light bulbs I have. So, not the right ones, but they work just okay. They're just not as bright as they normally would be. So, pop the lens off, pull out both the dead lights. As you can see, they're a little bit bigger. In a size comparison, the originals definitely do win. Where are you? Old, new. Lot smaller. So that one's in. This is Napa Part 194. I bought this whole box of them about a year or two ago, and they've lasted me ever since. Shoot, it's right at Mom's. I would look up the price for these, but the book's at my mother's. So I'm just gonna clean this lens up a little. No, never mind. Anyways, the lens goes in. Like so. Pick up all of your work debris. As such, let me make sure my computer's still going. Okay, we are. Then we take the cord up here. Now let's see if they work. Thanks for watching. I'm going to change the drive belt on this just to be safe. Alright, so now let's walk over here. Set the vacuum back up. We are now going to run it again with the brand new belt on it. And see how much better this does. This belt looked a little thicker than the other one, so I think maybe the other one did not have the original belt, or Honeywell's just making a thicker belt than Hoover. So, anyways, let's get started. It was the agitator belt, too. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed, because I had fun with messing around with it. Not tech drive, the, what do they call it? Power drive. The earlier model of the self-propelled vacuums. And as you can see, my hands are a little bit dirty from working on it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I also went to a garage sale today, but sadly no vacuums. They had one of those little newer than mine, Shark Steam Pocket Mop, newer model. Wanted $45 for it. The garage sale is just up the road from me, but
Hell, I'm not gonna pay $45 for a fucking Shark steam mop when I paid like $2 for my previous one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye.